What's up, guys? Alex here, and what we're going to do in this video is what we've done in a ton of other videos. We're going to look and hunt for some profitable betting opportunities, and we're going to place bets on them. So you can see in the Chiefs-Chargers game, markets are starting to be posted. We have Chiefs minus 158 on Fanduel and Chargers plus 175 in week 3 games. So week 3 markets are starting to be posted, and there are some interesting betting opportunities. So we'll try to move quick. Again, the best lines don't last forever. So this is in the Chargers-Chiefs game. So we'll find this on Pinnacle. And what we can see is if we go to first quarter money line, the Chiefs are minus 211, right? They're minus 211 on Pinnacle, the sharpest bookmaker in the world. So who has Chargers plus 183 as well. So there's clearly value on Chiefs minus 158. Like if we just click on this game, we can take a peek, right? So 10bet and DraftKings have Chiefs minus 210. You can get minus 158. So DraftKings is in line with Pinnacle, which we just saw was minus 211 plus 183. So clearly this minus 158 is a pretty good betting opportunity. So we'll pull up FanDuel and we'll have to log in. And we can also look for some other, so it looks like it already moved, right? We've explained this before, but the best betting opportunities, they're not going to last forever. So you want to move quickly to get in on them. But what we can see is in the Appalachian State versus Marshall game, we have over 56.5 points on Twinspires, minus 110 odds. So we'll click on that. We can see on Twinspires over 56.5, minus 110. And if we just go here, what we can see is Twinspires has minus 110 on the over under 56.5. But if you continue to scroll down, you'll see most other sports books, right, have the total points market set at 58 and 58.5. So you can get over 56.5 on Twinspires minus 110 odds, but over 58, it's minus 110 odds over 58 or over 58.5 on every other book. So it seems like Twinspires is just a little stale and they haven't moved up the odds on it yet. So we can see this minus 110 right here. It's an arb to Pinnacle, sharpest bookmaker, which has it minus 139. So these are both great betting opportunities, like this over 56.5 minus 110 and this over 56 minus 115. So these are two bets we definitely want to place because it looks like totals are ripping higher in this game. So they're giving me 57.91 on this bet. And then on over 56, we'll see how much they give me. They're giving me 60.57. So again, I'm limited on Twinspires. When sportsbooks limit you, if you are a profitable sports bettor, your bet size, your maximum bet size will get reduced. So what we can see here is I was able to get, 60.57 on over 56 points. And over 56.5, they gave me 57.91. So not massive bet sizes. But again, like we can see this minus 110 over 56.5 versus the entire rest of the sports betting market is an extremely profitable bet. Pinnacle has it minus 139. So, that's definitely a bet we want to place. When arbitrage exists, we've said this in other videos, but when arbitrage exists between, two sports books, there has to be a profitable betting opportunity. You can't have the opportunity, to make risk-free money on sportsbooks and not have there be a profitable betting opportunity. So here we see Twinspires was clearly the side that was off or a little stale because this really should be over 58.5 minus 110 to be in line with the rest of the sports betting market. So getting over 56.5 as totals have been moving higher in the game is a good bet. So what we can see as well is if we go to the positive EV page, you can see this bet has an expected profit of 5.86%. We were able to bet, between these two overs, over 56 and over 56.5, we were able to bet roughly, $120 total on this at an expected profit to Pinnacle zero vig line of 5.86%. So, we're getting a 5.86% return on essentially the $120 we bet. So we'll go back to the ARB page and we'll see if there's anything else that's interesting. Obviously, there's one NFL game tonight, so there's not a ton going on. But you can see also the point spread in the Florida Atlantic game is an ARB to Pinnacle, right? You can get Florida Atlantic plus 6.5 minus 105 odds on Twinspires. you can see again, most sports books have it, the spread set at minus 5.5 and plus 5.5. And you can get that additional point in the spread on Twinspires, right? So you can actually see here, these are both now ARBs to Pinnacle. You can get Air Force -6, -101 on Pinnacle, and you can get, Florida Atlantic +6, +102 on Twinspires, right? You have an ARB between Twinspires and Pinnacle, the sharpest bookmaker in the world. So we want to take these sides on Twinspires. These are the profitable betting opportunities. Florida Atlantic +6, +102, and Florida Atlantic +6.5, -105 odds on Twinspires. So what we'll do is we'll go to this game next. So we want to go to football, and then we want to go to college football. So league, can't find it, NCAAF, and then we want to find the Florida Atlantic game. So again, we want to move quick to get our bet in because it's a good bet before the line moves. So we can see here, +6 is +102 odds. Place a bet on that. They're giving me 90.41. And then we'll try placing a bet on this Florida Atlantic +6.5, -105. And you can see I'm able to get two bets in, one for 96.06 and the other for 90.41, right? So we're able to bet roughly $185 on this at an expected profit margin of, if we go to the positive EV page, we're able to get our bet in at an expected profit margin of roughly 4.95%. Right, so we're able to bet $185, getting an expected return of roughly 4.75%. So this bet is netting us roughly $8 in expected profit total. So that's kind of how you think about the math behind it. Again, Pinnacle, sharpest sportsbook in the world. Their odds on Florida Atlantic +6 are -119, and you can see there's a pretty big discrepancy because Twinspires is giving you, +102, which is an ARB to not only Pinnacle, which has -101 on Air Force -6, but also an ARB to FoxBet, right? And again, if you just click on this, if you're more of a visual person, you can see like this -105 when it's -118 on FoxBet and -128 on Pinnacle seems pretty good. And then it's the same thing here. Like we can see that Florida Atlantic +6, it's favored on Bovada. It's favored on FoxBet. This +102 is an ARB to FoxBet. It's favored on Pinnacle. And this, +102 on Twinspires is, again, basically an ARB to two of these things. So it's clearly good because it's clearly the outlier. So lines have been moving towards Florida Atlantic over the course of this week, but it looks like Twinspires just hasn't ticked it down yet. So what we can do is see if there are any other interesting betting opportunities. We've said this before, but lines are constantly moving around from sportsbook to sportsbook. So this is something you want to check consistently. The amount of arbitrage plus EV betting opportunities. So here's another one that's interesting that just popped up. We can see Red Sox. If we go to this game, we can see that the Red Sox, so it looks like DraftKings already updated. They had -115 on the Red Sox, it looks like when they first posted their market. And now it's down to -155. So what we can do is go back to the arbitrage page. So it looks like we just missed that one. And again, know how to navigate these sports books, know how to move quickly to get in on great betting opportunities. That's going to be very effective. As a sports bettor, like if this Florida Atlantic +6.5 takes us forever to find, we may not be able to get our bet down. So know how to navigate like, okay, Twinspires, NCAAF, and then figure out how to get to the game quickly so you're able to get your bet in. So that's kind of all we're doing in this video. That's all we're doing in most of these videos is we're just hunting for some profitable betting opportunities and trying to place bets on them in the pursuit of making money as a sports bettor. And again, looking for ARBs to Pinnacle is the best way to do that because, again, Pinnacle's the sharpest bookmaker in the world. The fact that they have this over -139 and you can get it -110 on Twinspires, like that's a pretty great betting opportunity. And, you can just see -110 over 56.5, whereas every other sportsbook has the total at 58.5, right, or 58. So I hope you found this video helpful. Again, all we're trying to do in these videos is show the power of OddsJam and how having live data, from all of these sports books, and building tools on top of that can be really powerful to sports bettors in terms of finding great betting opportunities. So again, a place you want to start is the arbitrage page, because arbitrage displays to you when you can literally place bets on two different sports books and lock in a risk-free return. So it's a good indication of where value is in sports betting markets, which is how we found this minus 110 on Appalachian State versus Marshall. So again, I hope you found this video helpful, and we'll continue to do them in other videos. Like here's another one we could bet quickly. You can see the Royals are plus 145 versus the Indians tonight. That's an arb to Pinnacle. So you can get plus 145 on the Royals. Every other sportsbook you can only get plus 138 on 888 Sport, plus 135 on BetMGM, right? So it looks like Pinnacle, DraftKings is kind of the outlier here. Lines have been moving towards the Royals, and you can still get plus 145 on DraftKings, whereas Pinnacle is now only giving you plus 134. So that's kind of how you think about sports betting, sharp sports betting, is you're looking for line discrepancies, right? Like I'm not going into this betting opportunity as I want to bet the Royals. I'm going, the reason I'm looking at this game is because there's a line discrepancy, right? There's a line discrepancy between Pinnacle and DraftKings, and Pinnacle is moving their line in favor of the Royals. So, like if I could get the Indians minus 120, I'd bet the Indians minus 120. But the fact that I'm getting the Royals plus 145 means I want to bet the Royals plus 145. Everything as a sports bettor is about the odds that you are getting. So I hope you found this video helpful. We'll see if there are any final betting opportunities, but it doesn't look like it. It's a pretty slow day. And if you have any questions, here we can see another one, White Sox minus 3, right? It's an arb to Fox bet. You're getting plus 160 on Twinspires. Fox bet has Tigers plus 3, minus 154. These are equal and opposite, right? White Sox minus 3 and Tigers plus 3. And Pinnacle is only giving you plus 136 on the White Sox run line minus 3. You can get plus 160, which is a pretty good bet. So I want to place that quickly. So I'll go to MLB. I'll go to White Sox. Again, we want to try to move quick. And we'll go to White Sox minus 3. It's already down to plus 140. So it's already down to plus 140. So we missed this one as well. So again, you want to move quickly. Essentially, when you are using OddsJam, what you are doing is you are day trading sports. You are moving quickly to get in on good betting opportunities before the lines move. So here's one final betting opportunity we can look at. We can see that the over 57 is plus 100 on Fox bet, right? Pinnacle has it plus 100 as well. And you can get under 57 in the Central Michigan game plus 100 on Twinspires. Again, every other sportsbook has the total basically set at over 56.5 or under 56.5, and you can get the under 57 plus 100 on Twinspires. So that clearly seems like a pretty good bet, and according to Pinnacle, it is a good bet, right? There's an arb between Pinnacle and Twinspires, so one bet has to be profitable. And in this scenario, like we don't want to bet against Pinnacle, the sharpest sportsbook. We want to place our bet on Twinspires. So this actually can be our last bet. So we'll go to college football. We'll go to Florida International. So try to find it quickly. And we'll go to under 57 points plus 100, and we'll place this bet. And they give me 52.69, which you'll see right here. Under 57, we got plus 100 odds, and we got 52.69 placed on it. So under 57 plus 100, right? So I hope you found this video helpful. Again, the whole point of these videos is just to show you that there very frequently are good betting opportunities, and if you're able to place these bets on a consistent basis, you'll kind of see your gains continue to add up. Like just placing those 4 or 5 bets we just placed, we accumulated, roughly $20 in expected profit, according to Pinnacle, the sharpest bookmaker in the world. So it's clearly a good betting opportunity. Here we see another one, Robbie Ray, under 17.5 total outs in the Rays Blue Jays game. You can get plus 115 on MGM, almost an arb to Pinnacle, which has it basically 50-50 to occur. So that's a good betting opportunity. This plus 190 on Caesars is a good betting opportunity, right? There are constantly new opportunities as the sports betting market kind of shifts around. So keeping an eye out, looking for these betting opportunities, hunting for them is really how you make money as a sports bettor. So I hope you found this video helpful. Like here, we can just see, right, like in this same thing as the last few examples. In Utah State versus Boise State, you can get over 63 points minus 113. It's minus 137 on Pinnacle. Like minus 113 seems pretty good, especially because most bookmakers have the total set at 64.5 or 65, right? And you can get over 63 minus 113 on Twinspires. So I hope you found this video helpful. And what we're going to do is place this actually as our last bet. So we wanted over 63 minus 113. So over 63 minus 113, arb to Pinnacle, right? So that's a good betting opportunity. So this will be our last betting opportunity, and we'll see how much they give us. So again, they're giving us 59.21 unlimited on Twinspires. So I hope you found this video helpful. And any questions, you can feel free to reach out to us. If you have questions about what sportsbooks to get, you can reach out to us. We're happy to send you links for the sportsbooks that are available in your location. Thanks so much.